Hey, this is Brandon from Bright Arrows Ranch. So I wanted to show you a little bit of a project that we did yesterday on our driveway. So this driveway is a private easement. It cuts across our property, so it's my land, but we've got to grant an easement for our neighbors to get to their property. And it was getting kind of rough. The neighbor down the road has been maintaining the road, the easement for a couple decades. But since we've purchased it and it runs across our land, we want to contribute to the maintenance and keeping up with it. So what we've done is come along and cleaned up all the debris on the sides of the easement and got up with the pine straw and the sticks and the leaves. They were holding a lot of water and the road wouldn't really dry out, so just kind of open it up. And kids were out here with rakes and shovels, and I brought my skid steer out here and we scooped up all the debris and moved it off. We've got some strategically placed composting piles out in the woods, and so we've gotten it all pretty straightened up. And I'm proud of my kids for all their hard work, and we hope that the neighbors appreciate the contribution. And for us, it looks a lot nicer. So anyway, this is our driveway, and thanks for watching.